Hello guys, another new video. This time I'm going through the Sage Clean Me process. So what you will be needing for the process is using the smaller filter. Usually I use the bigger one, so I will have to switch that and insert the smaller one. You want to just press it in here, and you can see on the right side of my hands there's this silicone part that you insert on top of the filter, and on top of the silicone part you want to insert this espresso cleaner tablet that you will get two with your machine, and you can buy more. I actually ordered some more of these tablets since I have done this once before, so now I'm out of the tablets that came with the machine. Another thing that you want to do is you want to make sure the water reservoir is emptied, and also you want to make sure that your water tank behind the machine is completely full. I didn't have it completely full, even though it's kind of full, so I decided to add a little bit more water. It didn't actually end up using that much water, maybe 30% of the water tank, but yeah. Then what you want to do is you want to turn off your machine and then hold power button and 1 cup and 2 cup buttons, all 3 buttons at the same time, for approximately 5 seconds. That should start the Clean Me process. Here you can see after the process is finished, my tablet wasn't completely dissolved, so I decided to do it once more. And yeah, the end result wasn't that much different, but it had dissolved a little bit more, so I decided that I'm gonna be fine with that outcome, and I only did it 2 times. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I decided to clean the bottom of the portafilter, or inside of the portafilter I should say, just kind of as a last step here, making sure that my equipment is cleaned, even though you can't see inside of the portafilter in day-to-day use. But yeah, this was a little bit more faster type of video, and yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.